How to remove apps in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, open home screen and select the app you want to delete. Press and hold on this app and simply click on remove app, and here it will be confirmed to delete app. And the another way to delete app, then simply open settings and then click on general and then click on software update. Here you can check your software updates. I will open software updates by mistake and open iPhone storage and then scroll down. Here you can see your all downloaded apps, and if you want to delete app, then simply click on it, and here you can see the delete option and offload option, then offload option, and you can reinstall the app later. And click on delete and delete app, simply press delete, it will be deleted. So this is the way to remove apps in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.